Welcome, seekers of the eternal, to a sacred journey into the heart of Chapter 11 of the Tao Te Ching. A profound resonance from the soul of Lao Tzu that hums like a quiet drum through the silence of time. Imagine standing before a simple wheel, its empty hub holding the promise of motion, and every breath invites you to see the unseen power within. This is no ordinary moment. This is your call to embrace the transformative wisdom that Lao Tzu reveals today. For over 2 millennia, these words have reached out to the curious, the reflective, the yearning. Will you open your heart to their subtle call? Join me now as we explore the deep wisdom of Chapter 11, a 15-minute odyssey into the value of emptiness, utility, and the eternal essence within. Subscribe to Lao Tzu Speaks, where the ancient insights meet the eternal truth, and let this journey awaken your spirit. Breathe deeply. Dear friends, for we stand at the threshold of a truth that redefines the way we see. Lao Tzu speaks to us from a world shaped by the warring states, a time of struggle, yet he offers a lens of clarity, the power of what is not. He begins. 30 spokes share one hub. It is the space where there is nothing that makes the cart useful. Picture a wheel. Its strength lying not in the wood, but in the empty center that allows it to turn. This is a spiritual awakening, a call to recognize that usefulness arises from emptiness. Lao Tzu invites us to value the void, to see that the Tao's greatest gifts often come from what is not filled, urging us to find purpose in the spaces we overlook. Let your soul quiet as we journey further. Shape clay to make a vase. It is the space within that makes the vase useful. Consider a potter's hands forming a vessel, its hollow holding water or grain. The Tao teaches us that form serves function through its emptiness, a truth that challenges our fixation on the material. This is the logic of the divine, a wisdom that shifts our gaze to the unseen. Lao Tzu urges us to appreciate the interior, the quiet space that gives life meaning. Imagine a home, its rooms alive because of the open spaces within, such as the Tao. A force that thrives in the hollow, a spiritual invitation to embrace the essential void. Pause with me and let this wisdom flow into your being. Cut out doors and windows to make a room. It is the space where there is nothing that makes the room useful. Envision a house, its walls defining a space where life unfolds, cooking, resting, loving, all enabled by the emptiness within. The Tao reveals that utility depends on the absence, the open areas that invite activity. This is not a denial of structure, but a celebration of its purpose. Picture a temple, its silence sacred because of the empty space it holds. Such is the Tao's gift, a harmony that emerges from the void, a life enriched by what is not. Now, feel the rhythm of this teaching as it guides us deeper. Therefore, take advantage of what exists, but remember the usefulness of what does not. This is a spiritual guide, a balance between the tangible and the intangible. Lao Tzu teaches us to honor the material, spokes, clay, walls, yet to revere the emptiness that gives them life. Think of a musician, her silence between notes as vital as the melody. Such is the sage's way, a dance with the eternal that values both presence and absence, a wisdom that unites the seen and unseen. Let us now embrace the practical beauty of this wisdom. In a world of constant filling and rushing, Lao Tzu offers a path to balance. Begin each day by creating space. Pause in silence. Let your mind rest in emptiness, and feel its strength renew you. Use what you have, tools, time, talents, yet leave room for the unexpected, allowing creativity to flow. When overwhelmed, step into the void, like the hub of a wheel, and watch clarity emerge. This is the art of Wu Wei, the effortless alignment with the Tao, like a room breathing with open windows, inviting peace. Each step in this spirit is a prayer, a return to the source of all harmony. As we journey inward, consider the deeper mystery. The usefulness of what does not exist is the essence of the Tao. The Tao's power lies in its emptiness, its ability to shape all things while remaining formless. Lao Tzu invites us to embody this, live with purpose, yet hold space for the infinite. Imagine an artist, his canvas alive with empty spaces that frame the masterpiece. Such is the sage's path. This is the logic of the soul, to value the void, to trust its potential, and in that trust to find enduring peace. Now, let your spirit rise with this vision. The Tao's emptiness is its fullness, its absence, its strength. In our age of clutter and consumption, Lao Tzu calls us back to simplicity. Be still, he whispers, and let the void guide your life. This is the ultimate gift, a life unburdened by excess, a heart aligned with the eternal. Picture a wheel turning smoothly, its empty hub the heart of its motion, every turn a blessing. Such is you, when you live with the Tao's grace, full yet empty. As we near the end of this sacred 15 minutes, feel the depth of these words settle into your essence. Chapter 11 is a revelation for the cluttered heart, a guide for the soul seeking clarity. It teaches us that true utility lies in emptiness, true strength in the void, true wisdom in the unseen. Carry this light into your day. Let it guide your actions, clear your mind, and open your eyes to the essence within. Subscribe to Lao Tzu Speaks, where every video is a step toward the eternal, and join a community of souls awakening to the Tao. May you walk this path with peace, and may the timeless flow of Lao Tzu's teachings illuminate your every step.